Hi everyone. Sorry for the late start. Um, I was watching this yesterday. Synecdoche, New York. The movie called Synecdoche, New York. This video is about some subtle details of it. Um, yeah, I chose the title of this stream as a this one because I want better, more watching rates. Uh, but I'm not going to discuss any of the details why I have chosen this. I'm not going to discuss about Turkey because it's literally killing time. At 30. Yeah. After finishing this one, I will continue with what was it? Yeah, cracking the coding interview. Uh, I just finished the intro part of it. I will continue. I will try to solve the programming questions, puzzles in there. Yeah, around 11 p.m. I believe. I will first write down possible solution into a paper, and after that I will uh, try to simulate it on my Hellish IDE. Yeah, let's continue with kernel synchronization methods. Okay, yeah, I'm so tired. Today I worked for 10 hours, 10 straight hours. I can't believe myself without no proper sleep. Uh, yeah, let me also resume my virtual machine of Ubuntu. It's restoring. Uh, yeah, last seconds for it to be ready. Yeah, let's continue. Race codes, atomic operations, atomically called a simple race in implementing. It's not possible to occur. The price on integers, individual bits. Lacking. Atomic T. volatile. Also for the background, yeah. I could probably sleep in a minute. But I shouldn't. Some architectures. It returns to otherwise. Atomic ink deck. Sublin test. Oh. Subreturn. I think it's quite similar to assembly. I think there's no point of defining those functions. It's quite similar to assembly counterpart.
How did you get in here? The point is, Matthew, I'm here. Here for you. Me? Chocolate cake, Game Boy, and me. Which would you like first? What about my parents? Oh, they won't hear. I have something else. Just for you. Ted Williams, rookie card. Mint. Wow. Not yet. First, you have to kiss me. Then I have to show you something else. This. So here we go. What's it gonna be, Matthew? Hockey or sex? I got in trouble in the locker room because of you. Why? Were you thinking about me, Matthew? I wasn't thinking about hockey. Good. I don't think you're going to be thinking about hockey tonight either. What's going to happen? Sex. Sex is going to happen.
Obviously, my friend Merchant sent an unexplainable video. I still don't get it. And my friend Mert also. We will wait for Merchant's explanation of that video. Yeah. My back. Cause that either instructions succeed in their entirely uninterrupted, or instructions fail to execute at all. Spinlock. Contended. Define Spinlock. Spinlock. Yeah. We are at page 212. Actually, let's continue. I will probably here read until here. I'm not sure. Let's 488. No. Local interrupts. Chapter 10. Oh, oh. I think hacking the code interview is quite successful. I can't hear anything. Wow. My Bluetooth earphone again. Behaves irrationally. Power up, power on, power on. That didn't work. Fuck you. Where the fuck are you? Jesus Christ. Mm, Let me try some. Tests, yeah. Mm. Given spin lock. If the lock is contained, turn 0. Spin is locked, it turns non-zero. Otherwise, it returns 0. Pin lock. Try lock. Acquire spin lock. Try lock. Tries to acquire. Thanks for giving. Radar rider spin locks. Task lists. Rain lock. Trainer. Read on. Okay. Create a rail lock. Executing HTML deadlock. Waiting for all readers to release shade lock. Sim. Sim drops were right. Let me copy this part too. Oh man. Linux is different. Important consideration. Yeah, let's continue. Oh god, I'm not going to tell you what my friend said about the other guy after sending the weird young boy and a girl video. Let's give a break. Probieren. Probieren. Test. Probieren. Try. Taste. Schmecken. Probieren. Kosten. Deutsch mit erholen. To increment. Semaphore. Down attempts to acquire the given place to calling process to sleep in task interruptible. Texas. Texas. in completion. Buchanan lock. Yay! First two of today. So guys, you can write it in here, so I can read it, or you can just fuck off. Okay, let me sneak peek of the first examples of strings. Where was it? Okay, first question. Implement an algorithm to determine if a string has all unique characters. What if you cannot use additional data structures? What if you cannot use? What if you cannot use? There's no array, there's no hash map. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hints 44. Where's hints? Where are the hints? For solution to chapter 1. Where are hints, bro? I can't see. Yeah, hints are the back of at the end of the additional. Okay, 44. Oh my god, I like this. Okay, try a hash table. Okay, I already know that. But for the second one, what might be the? Could a bit vector? Yeah, why not? But I think additional data structure. Bit vector is array list, of course. I think it's somewhat an the data structure. I think this question is flawed. I'm not sure whether there's a way to implement it. Can you solve it in n log n? What might a solution like that look like? N log n. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? Unique characters. Hashmap gets the time complexity for getting an element from a hashmap is O1, I believe. So why is he talking about n log n? It's already O. Anyway, let's continue with the big kernel lock. I will hang on it. Think on. Think on. Think on. I think on her. No. Sleep on it. Yeah, sleep. Don't sleep on it. Yeah. Welcome to Red Hat stepchild of the. This global screen that was created. Please. and the task is unscheduled under file window. Okay, pause. Select file holding, validate that you can and you will not. Cursive can occur multiple lines and not allow. Can use only in process context. Viewer and viewer. Cursor lock. Was lock was not on. What the increment counter. Add deadlock. Same thread deadlock. You don't need to worry about what's lock and what's not. They also something end up being used. Large piece of increment count. And, waiting list. BKL. Skip this. Works on sequence count. Reading data segment number. What is not underway. Okay. Preemption this disable. Guys, come on. Because the kernel spell can stop running it. Use spell. Schedules. CPU. Ring Amberius. May read some rights. Chained order. Specified. Rights that appear in the order. Various. Read memory barrier. Story and be call. Right barrier. Across the barrier. CBDA. C to retrieve the nucleus of A. Intelligence. That. Next is timers. 1-6, guys. Yeah, as I said, let's give a break. These are okay. Uh, Yep. All right. Once after a specified time. Once the timer goes off, an enterprise programmed frequency called stack rate, it issues an interrupt that the kernel handles via time between any interrupts. Tick n is equal to 1 over tick rate seconds. Some important space applications. Familiar system call provides SMAP. Time of day SMP running and any dynamic timers, resource usage and process time statistics. Heads differs for each the value of heads obviously. Kernel defines that value in ASM per page. The tick rate 100 values. Has any given value. In the past. The kernel code can create with 1 millisecond. There's no guarantee accuracy improves in the same manner. Accuracy pause apply time always finer. Blah blah blah. Let's see the disadvantages. It would have been 100 indeed there's higher plasma frequent timer interrupts. Tickless operation. Interrupt ever say interrupt is schedule. Jeep face. Uh, Wraparounds. Torture. Okay. Guys, come on. Colonel doesn't read the however. It will turn back to the artist. Timer. Time of a day. gface. Da 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 da. Pink small lace. Okay. Yeah. Let's stop here. I'm going to open IntelliJ. Yeah, IntelliJ. New project. Just normal Java. Untitled. New window. Idea search. Let's fix it. Yeah. PSVM. Okay. Let's change monitors. Okay. Let me start with introduction to arrays and strings. Hash table is a data structure. Implementing this, we use an array of linked list and hashcode function. Sort cache, compute hash, this which then map the hash code to an index in the array. At this index, there is a linked list store key value. We must use a linked list. We could have two different keys with the same hash code, two different hash codes. Proceed to repeat the process. The worst case runtime is ON, where N is the number of keys. However, minimum, in which case the lookup time is O1. Balanced binary, O log N, lookup language using space. You can also iterate through keys, which can, okay. Um, this is quite famous song. Here is today's song recommendation to you. Anyway, I'm going to complete. I'm going to continue, not complete. A list automatically resizable. It's our fixed needs an array-like data structure. Array list and array sizes providing all one access. Each doubling takes n time, but really it's so times insertion time is O1. As an essential, you be sure to come with time. So, note the name of the as well, which is 2 in Java. We can work backwards to compute how many elements we copied at each capacity. There is half that size, therefore K2. Inserting an element. Okay. String builder. And strings. X and square. Uh, at most 2 points in our capacity. Square is much lower. I mean, some arbitrary number of collisions. Tiny likely. Correct case. Can explain why this is so. and overcapacity. And it else implement the tree. The same complexity as all over. Okay, implement an algorithm to determine 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 determine. Yeah, I will probably forgot again. Determine. If a string has all unique characters. You should first ask your interviewer if the ASCII are in code. Asking this will show an eye for detail and solid foundation for computer science. ASCII. It's a great area when flagged dice sublime we can anyway return false. We can also immediately return false if the string length executes the number alphabet. It's okay, simple. Time complexity for this ON and is the length of string space is O1. If child set space complexity is O1. You could also time analysis for the following never iterate through more than. If you didn't want to consume the all C space. We can reduce our space by a factor of 8 by using a bit vector. In checker. sort the string. And sorting algorithms takes up extra space. Check. Okay, second question. Given two strings, write a method to decide if one is a permutation of another. Okay, let's say string A equals this one, and let's say second string is SL, no, LFS, yeah, LFS permutation. Okay, LFS, FCD, LCF. Okay. Check if perm string A, string B, of course. I should take this apart from check if of course it should be it should return boolean, public boolean. Check if perm A and B boolean F, let's say sort F. Why are you complaining? Yeah, you can say it. Static. Okay. Let me given right if one is a permutation of the another. Okay. Hash table again, or character x a what for okay a dot correct. Okay, we are going to do in this way. I int I equals 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus, I believe. Yeah, let's put this in a new vector. Let's call this hash map. No, map car. What car? Character. Integer map new as map. No need for it. Okay. Map put map gets it already default a car at I default 0. Okay. B car at I a bit. Okay, let me map gets, if map gets be correct I is null, return false. Map, it's not null. Map puts be correct I map gets be correct I -1, I believe. Yeah, for integer e map gets values. Whoops, values. If I int value not, whoops, not equals 0, return false, return true. I think. Oops. Yeah, let's debug it. LSP. I created new map. Let's go until here. SDFS value 0. What the fuck? Yeah. Default value 0, otherwise correct I plus sorry. If map put this with this default value 0. Yeah. Map dot gets. Sorry, I forgot this one. Let's refresh. And hope it works. Okay. F9. What? Get or get this. It might return null. In this case, I will. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry. Get default value +1, of course. Default value is 0. Okay. In other cases, S must be 3. Put age. Okay. Replace. Okay. If map get anyway, it works. But I will read the solution of it because I might think differently after reading it. Okay, second one. Like in many, we should confirm, so we should understand if the permutation is key sensitive. This is got a permission of the addition ask why space is significant. Sort strings, maybe this will work. Have identical character counts. Yeah. 1.3 your LFI. Obviously this solution was too complicated. Just delete it. And let me continue with the new question. For Dales and Tobin. Write a method to replace all space with %20. It has sufficient space at the end to hold the additional characters. You are given the true length of the string. 4, 9, 11. Where are the other two? Hold additional characters. Okay. Please use a character array so that you can perform this operation in place. Use character array. Interesting. So, check if pan Mr. John Smith 1, 2, 3, no, 4, I believe. Yeah, Mr. John Smith, and this should alt URL fight. And here we have one space, and I'm going to make it 3. But obviously this doesn't work. I will probably use 3 methods, so take each word. But I'm not sure. Common approach, edit string starting from end and working backwards. Starting from and fourth question. Palindrome permutation. Given a string, write a function to check if it's a permutation of a palindrome. It's easy again. Permutation of a palindrome. Tact core. Act 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Space. I think. It's quite similar to the previous question. Not the previous, but the previous of the previous. Check permutation question, I mean. 106 is the one of hints. I'm not sure why it provided, why he provided 4 different hints, because I don't think this question is tricky. Anyway, let's check the hints. 106. You don't have to generate all permutation. Okay. 121. What characteristic? Okay. 134. Have you tried a hash table? Okay. It's also another implementation detail. And lastly, can you reduce the space usage by using a bit vector? If it's an ASCII, why not? Otherwise, I don't think so. This is a question where it helps figure out what it means to be. To design implementation, what does it make? We need to have an even number so that it was small character, it should be old. C's and P's. Okay. Check max 1 odd. Wheeled car frequency table. Count how many character get numeric values at -a plus 1 This is an int table, int x, get car number c, get car number, return table. Solution 2 is related to, oh my god, we have 3 different solutions. Oh my god. Woo! We can't optimize the big O time here since any algorithm will always have to look through the entire string. However, we can make smaller incremental improvements. Instead of checking the number of outcomes, we can check as we go along. Yeah, why not? Why not? For every phrase x is not minus 1, table x plus plus yeah. If you need to the one, you might answer we don't actually need to know the counts. Counts is even or not a single bit. There's no overlap between the numbers, which then we subtract one. Check that has exactly 1 because it's 1 from it. What the? Picture, we could shift the integers, repeatedly check whether there's only a single 1. We get 0, 1, 1, 1 numbers, which means something we at exactly 1 because we subtract 1 and add it, we should get 0. Let's continue one way. There are 3 types of edit: insert, remove, replace. If there are 1 edit away, fuck. Okay, PLE and pale. Check if 1 away. Whoops. First string, second. Okay. 1 away. Okay, we should use what they do call this. I forgot the verb. Dynamic programming, yeah. Okay. Minimum. Return math min first sub string 1. Sorry. Check if 1 away. Seconds. Check if 1 away. First, second, sub string 1. Check if 1 away. first substring 1, second substring 1. What's going on here? You take 2, and obviously I provided 3. Why are you pissing me off? Let's add space there, and there, and there. Yeah, obviously this should return int. Okay, we can provide some kind of 1, 1, 2, 1, and 1. Okay, also. If first dot length equals 1 and second dot length equals 1, return first compare to not compare to. If first compare to seconds, what equals 0, return 0, obviously. This case is handled. Whoo! If first length equals 1, return if second contains first, return second dot length minus 1. Same for seconds. Seconds if first contain first, seconds. Yeah. For this manner, I'm going to int what? Int obviously distance matrix equals this distance matrix. Holy shit. What the hell is wrong with you? Public static. Yeah. 1. 4 minus okay. First, this one is 3 by 4. I forgot how to initialize to the matrix. To the matrix initialization Java. Yeah. New int 3 by 4. Distance matrix 3, 2, 2, 3 equals 0. But anyway, nobody uses that. Return second length minus 1. Second length 0. 3 minus second length. Three or 4. 3 minus first length to 0. Oh, yeah. Not 0. Second length minus 1. First length. Yeah. 3 minus first length minus 1. I mean, two second length is equal to 1 plus I'm somewhat perplexed. Okay, let me clear Tinkler again. Clear that thing again. We have Pili and Pale, and I was looking for 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4. I was looking for 1 to 4 LE. String length minus 1. Yeah, first length minus 1. Second length, obviously. Leave it. first length, second length -1, distance matrix, first length -1, second length -1 equals first substring 1, if first length second length ones. If it doesn't contain first length, if it contains first length -1, bro. Distance matrix, first length to 0 equals first length, return first length. Yeah, same for this. 0 and second length. Yeah, 0 to second length, first length equals 0, 0. Okay, if distance matrix, first length, second length not equal 0, return it. Is it already calculated? Int if not return distance matrix int first second int seconds int third turn min first 2 equals math min first second int of course return math min 1 2 third. Yeah, bitches. I think it's okay. Let's debug it. Why I can't? No executable in stop it. Okay. Debug it. Check it one away. Array, of course, I forgot it. Minus one. Length minus one. Minus one should be minus two, and this should go to two minus one. What are the others? Second length minus one, of course. Minus two, minus one. Yeah. F8, pressing my F8 distance matrix. Holy shit. False. 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 Check F1. Yeah, pale. No. No. Check F1. Is it already no? E. True. Second length. 4 minus 2. It should be minus 1, I believe. If it contains 0.2. No, it's true. Okay, I think it's right. Yeah. LE. ELE. What the? Let's continue until. Holy. Where is the static members of main? Okay. 3 by 4, right? 3. 0. If it's 0. 3 by 4. I forgot. 0, 1, 2, 3. Anyway, this. What the hell? If there are 1 edit or 0 edits away. 0 to 2. Pale. This is a brute force. We could check one other way by testing the removals and comparing testing with replacements. It's not bothering. This is one of the problems about meaning of each type of replacement. Pale and pale, they are one placement. Yes, that doesn't mean it means that they are different only in one place. Insertion append by one insertion removal. We can go ahead and implement. We will merge the insertion and remove check into one step. Check the replacement step separately. Observe that you don't need to check the strings for insertion removal. The length of string will indicate which of these you need to check. If these are equal, one edit replace. If first length plus 1 equals 0, one edit insert, one edit replace. I will make this one char add one. We are going to execute. Okay, I was also thinking about replace palette. No, not poems. One edit insert while index 2 is to like index 1. If is not equals very similar to that of one edit insert, we can merge them into one edit insert PLE pale. Let's go one by one. If they are equal, let's both edits. If they are not, one edit insert. Second is longer one. We should okay, we should increment index 2 is not equal. If is not equal is equal this is not equal okay. String compression. Oh. Last 4 questions for today. I'll have only 1 hour, so that means 15 minutes for each one of them. Let's stop this because I misinterpreted the question and I was checking palindromes, not palindromes, replacements. Implement a method to perform basic string compression using the counts of repeated letters A2, B1, C5, A3. Hmm. If the compressed ones become smaller than the original method should return the original string. Okay, I think it's not too hard. Actually, you can implement it via hash table. Again, count consecutive. If the next character is in different, append the score to results. The runtime is P plus K2. What the fuck is K? P is not K is the number of character segments. -6. String topics. You are using string here? Yeah. You should use string builder, bro. Okay. Sure, team, but compress final length. Return string. Compress. Consecutive 0. Compress to string. Count compression string. Compress length. Non-consecutive plus plus. Rotate matrix. Given an image represented by an NN, where each pixel is the image is 4 bytes. We have NN matrix and each pixel is 4 bytes. It asks me for rotation of 90 degrees. Let's see. In rotation, each value, each pixel should be same. Yeah, after it. But let's think for 4 by 4 array. This top left should become top right after it, and this one goes to here, and this one goes to here. Hmm. Okay, can you do this in place? There are two hints again here. Fifth one. Try thinking about layer by layer. Can you rotate a specific layer? And 100. Rotating is good, just means swapping the values in four arrays. If you swap the values into arrays, could you do this? Can you extend it? Rotating means swapping the values in four arrays. Swap the values into arrays. Could you do layer by layer? Can you try specific layer? I choose first row. I made it column. Maybe. The second one actually, okay, this one, let's look to here. Each row should be a column, and these should be stacked to each other. Right 90 degrees. Last should be okay. Take each layer, split them. Okay. Geometrics. Write an algorithm such that if an element, but before that let's read the implementation. Easy to implement rotation in layers. Top edge to the right edge to the bottom edge to the left edge to the top. What the hell? Top edge to the right edge. How do we copy the top edge of an array, then move the left to top, bottom, which is icons. Swap index by index. Temp top I left I. Such as swap on each layer starting from outermost layer, not innermost. Rotate matrix length is plus int and matrix length in layer 0, layer over to layer plus 1. First layer, last one. What the fuck? Matrix first, last minus offset. Zero matrix. Oh my god. Write on such that if elements in the matrix are its entire row and column are set to 0. Okay. Um, okay. Let's think that in the beginning 0 is set here. After that, zeros should be multiplied, and after that, m by n. Okay, m by n, m3 and 4. After it, we should touch all of the elements. The best conceivable case is m times n, but not sure why this question is granted as hard. First in 17. If you just clear the rows and columns as you like to wind up clearing, try finding some make it much. Clearing. If you just clear the rows and rows. Actually, this is a one-time process, right? I should go over one by one. And if I don't find n, but if I find, I will go this much and this much, also this much and this much. 2 mn, which is mn. 1774. Can you use on additional space instead of on square? On additional space. Obviously I can. On, he is talking about on, right? Maybe n is smaller than this could be the case. You probably need data storage to maintain a list of the rows and columns that need to be zeroed. Can you reduce the additional by using the matrix itself for data storage? Let's consider this scenario and this scenario. We should. Okay. Okay, whenever I see minus 1, 0, I will first change them to minus 1. Minus 1. And the rest will be the same. And then I will start from the beginning. I see that this is minus 1. Let's change this to 0 again. Yeah. Let's change this 0. Let's put this minus 1 untouched. Keep this one untouched. 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 0, 0. These are untouched. I will continue my journey, not -1, 0, 0. Okay, maybe yeah, this way could be better. I'm not sure. Let's look for the solution. Yeah. At first glance, just iterate through the matrix every time you solve it. Value 0, set 0, that's 1. Let me count other cells in that row. We'll soon change the skip the second matrix which flags the 0 locations. They would then do a second pass through, set the zeros, and then since we are going to entire row and column, we don't need to track that it was exactly cell 24. We only need to know that row 2 has a 0 somewhere and column 4 has a 0. We will set entire row and column to 0 anyway, so I will keep exact location of 0. The code below implements this and we use two arrays to keep track of all the zeros and all. We then nullify rows and columns based on this is it would be an space to one using the first row as a replacement for the row array. Guys, I can't catch you. We have row 2 and column 4. We set the entire we use two arrays to keep track of all the arrays, all the rows with zeros, and all the rows, all the columns with rows new boolean matrix length. Okay. Ij true, column j true. Nullify rows. Check if the first. Using the first row as a replacement for the row array, and the first column as a replace. Check if the first row and first column have any zeros. Set variables row has 0 and column has 0. Trade through the rest of the matrix. Each. My solution is better, of course. So I'm the genius of today. Let's finish this interesting night with another interesting question. Question is as follows. String rotation. Assume that you have a string is substring. Sorry, you have a method is substring which checks if one word is a substring of another. Given two strings s1 and s2, write code to check if s2 is a rotation of s1 using only one call to is substring. Only one call to is substring. Check if s2 from what the check if s2 is a rotation of s1 using one call. s2 is check if one word is a substring of another. Okay. You have a method is substring. Okay. Okay. S1 substring is substring S2. Okay. we should only use only one quote is substring. Water bottle, and bottle, water. Is it okay? Only one. Uh, Only one quote is substring. Water, bottle, water. B is substring. So is a rotation. Permutation. Sorry. Rotation. Okay. I mean as bottle what, right? Okay, I got it. Um, okay, I will start with the first. Maybe, I will take whoa. um, ah, um, let's do like this and this. Water bottle or bottle. This one substring. Okay, I found it, I guess. Let's say our string was ABCD and I was looking for BCDA, right? I will check ABCDE, ABCDEA, yeah, right? It's rotated. I will check whether DE is a substring of this one. only returns a substring which checks if one is one word, if one word is substring. Okay, I will check for length over two characters, whether this much length of characters are common. I mean, I will use isSubstring method. It will return true, right? For DE, for example. After that, I will check for the locations of that substring. This will return 4 and this will return 3. I will go one by one until one of them returns first character, like this. In here I got one as a feedback, so I will stop here and I also checked all of the others, and I will go over the first and this. I'm not sure. Let's try with 7. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's see that E, F, G, A, B, C, D. B, C, D. No. Since I have to use only one, I might choose wrong one, like I might choose FGA maybe. FGA doesn't provide, unfortunately. Oh fuck man. Oh. FGA. Yeah, I might choose the wrong one. Also, it might look like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If I choose ABC, that will not give me a positive result, so this doesn't work. Maybe I should only choose a word, a character like A, and go one by one till the end, A, B, C, D, E. After that, I know that it's at the end, the position is at the end. I will go backwards this time to see that these are, no, I what if I just, I think the only solution is this one. In other scenarios, it won't work. 34, right? If a string is a rotation, then it's a rotation at the particle. For example, it's color ball. Yeah, I know. Cutting water wall at character tree. Or wall. I don't think that's work. 88. You are essentially asking if there's a way of splitting the first spring into two x and y such that first thing x and second y x all time. Yeah. And lastly, 104. Think about an inch earlier and think about what happens when you come. Oh my god. Man, me. I felt so miserable. Me. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will be back here tomorrow with linkless questions. I believe there are seven for this, eight for this one. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the exact solution of the last one.